Hello, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you some cool formatting in the form of fills and patterns, right? And as a kid, I used to do this a lot, like even in high school when we used to do, have to submit some work. I would just put all these fancy colors that didn't really do anything, but you could do them. So knowing you can do them is pretty cool. So let's say I wanted to make all the cells, a nice cool color, right? I'm trying to impress a girl or something. I'm trying to impress my girlfriend, like check out these cell colors. All right, so I go in here, I go to home, I go to the paint bucket, and I'm gonna go to, no, it's not more colors. What am I doing? It is, if you right click and go to format cells, that's right. Okay, we come into this section and you wanna go to fill. Now in fill, you can do this coloring, which is the same as that bucket on the top, except that you can do a little bit more in this section, which is, if I go fill effects, I can actually do gradient fills. All right, so let me bring that in. The first color can be, let's say, orange. Okay, second color could be this blue. I can make it vertical, diagonal, right? I can do all these different patterns. Let's say we do this one. All right, I can also do fills. So let's say I do that one. So now I got, that kind of effect. Let's go up back again. Now, if you want to get to that format thing instead of right clicking, you can always do Control 1. Okay, and it brings you back. I can also do pattern colors, right? So here we go, pattern style. Right? I can do fills like this. I can change that color. So let's say it's a green one like that. Okay, and I tend to use this actually. I actually do use this one for, let's say Michelle got fired or something. Okay, so I'm gonna select all the Michelles. Okay. And like for record keeping purposes, I don't want to delete her information, right? It could have been that she made sales. Now, if I delete it, all my sales for the year are going to be off. So I still want the information to be in there, but I just want it to be that when you read it, you're like, well, she's no longer here with us kind of thing, right? So if I do that, I go Control 1 or right click format cells and I go pattern fill. I set it to this one right here and I go OK. Now what this does is it kind of blacks it out so they can't really see. I can actually make that a little bit darker. So let's go back again. There's a really strong one here, which is, I think that's the one I did just then. So let's say I do 50% gray. Let's make color black. Go OK. Okay. And it really blocks it out. And the advantage of this is, you can barely read it, which is a good thing because you're trying to let people know that they're not here with us anymore. But also, if you need to run formulas, you can still run formulas. This is just a formatting thing. It doesn't actually delete information. It's just formatting, right? So it still gives you the option to do formulas. Whereas if you deleted it, you've lost that data. Okay? And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed and see you at the next video.